Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. You can either sit or you can lie and do this meditation. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can do. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, feel yourself going deeper. Now I'll count from 10 to 1. For each number, you will go deeper. At the count of 1 to 5, I will get you out of this relaxation, feeling wide awake, feeling healthy than before. 10, 9, feel yourself going deeper. 8, 7, 6, 5, feel yourself more deeper than before. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax your scalp. Feel how relaxed they are. Feel that relaxation. Relax your forehead. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your face muscles. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your throat. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your eyes muscles. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your shoulder. Feel how relaxed they are. Every part of your body is getting relaxed. Relax. Relax your lower back. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your neck. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your spinal cord. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your chest. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your stomach. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your knee. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your thighs. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your calf muscles. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your ankle. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your toes. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your sole of the feet. Feel how relaxed they are. Now you are completely relaxed from head to sole of your feet. Concentrate on your heart. Your heart is healthy. Feel that. Your heart is healthy. Your skin is healthy. Your bones are strong and healthy. Concentrate on your breathing. Feel your bones are getting healthier. All your muscles are healthier. Concentrate on every part of your body. Concentrate on every part of your body. If you feel any tension in your body, Release it. Let it go. Just let it go. If there is any tension in your mind, just let it go. Release it. Just let it go. Your brain is healthy. Release all your tensions. Feel the moment. Be in the present moment. Enjoy the moment. Feel that relaxation. Feel your body is getting lighter and lighter. You are completely relaxed now. You are completely relaxed now. Now you will come out of this meditation at the count of 1 to 5. At the count of 1 to 5, you will open your eyes, feeling wide awake, feeling healthy than before. 1, 2, slowly coming out. 3. At the count of 5, you'll open your eyes, feeling wide awake, feeling healthy than before. 4, 5. Eyes open, feeling wide awake, feeling healthy than before.